Yeah.
And then our next guy.
I know we're about to get really mean, but I respect Chris. He's a cancer survivor. He raises money every year for the Pan Mass Challenge. He deserves a round of applause. The only thing deader than Chris's red blood cells is a three-way combo from Kelly's Roast Beef. Chris's beef reviews are like a New England earthquake. Nobody gives a fuck. This dude posts beef reviews on a Facebook group that has 40,000 people and gets less support than P. Diddy at a Homeland Security review. Chris works for the government, and you can tell it's reflected in his beef reviews. They're lazy, incompetent, and leave a lot of small businesses shut down. The only thing slower than Chris's beef reviews is his chemotherapy regression.
You're both awesome, fantastic work. I'm gonna give it to the Zoomies employee, Freddie.
Thank you guys.